Hi, my name is Mike Thrower with Industrial Controls, and we're a distributor for Honeywell LCBS. I'd like to talk a little bit about value proposition for the LCBS product. First of all, it eliminates the need for a full-blown automation system. And what I mean by this is it basically opens up opportunities in the light commercial and commercial market. Also, LCBS eliminates the cost for certified programmers. LCBS is a configurable system that your typical HVAC service tech can install and set up. Another great thing about LCBS is that there's only three main components for the system. You've got the cloud-based gateway, the YPAC, which includes the controller and the thermostat, and that's pretty much it. Keeps it simple, very nice. Let me tell you about some of the opportunities that LCBS has opened up for industrial controls. It has allowed us to target small to mid-sized mechanical contractors, which in turn allows these contractors to provide an affordable building automation solution. Let me tell you about a recent opportunity that we discovered with one of our key customers, Palmetto Goodwill in South Carolina. Palmetto Goodwill has 33 retail locations in the state that consist of 6 to 9 packaged rooftop units per location. As of today, Palmetto Goodwill has installed LCBS in 6 locations as a pilot. The pilot has been a success, and they are now rolling LCBS out to all of their other locations. The reason Palmetto Goodwill chose LCBS is 1, the simplicity of installation and setup, 2, how user-friendly the system is to use, from the thermostat to any web-based device such as laptop, cell phone, or a tablet. 3, LCBS provides Palmetto Goodwill a platform to view all locations on one system that is cloud-based. Some of the problems that LCBS has solved for Palmetto Goodwill is that it has replaced a complicated system that really never worked for them. LCBS also allowed Palmetto Goodwill to view real-time data and receive alarms and notifications that reduced service calls and helped with preventive maintenance. LCBS has allowed Industrial Controls to grow our product offering for our customers that needed or wanted an easy-to-use and install automation system. LCBS has also grown our relationship with Honeywell and has increased sales dollars and gained us new customers. For 2019, we are already working on many new opportunities.